Namaste. Today I'm going to show you my take on green masala chicken biryani. It's going to be spicy, it's going to be tangy, it's going to be amazing. Let's see how to make it. I have 1 kilo chicken washed. To this I'm going to add half a teaspoon turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon chili powder and 1 teaspoon salt. To this add 2 tablespoons curd. Curd will tenderize the chicken and it will give a nice tangy taste to this. Massage this masalas into the chicken very nicely and marinate this for about 20 minutes. I have 2 cups of basmati rice soaked in water for about 25 to 30 minutes. To a pan, add 2-inch cinnamon, 10 pods of cardamom, 10 cloves, 2 star anise, mace or javitri 5 to 6 strands, bay leaves 8 to 10 leaves, pepper 1 teaspoon, coriander seeds 3 teaspoon, fennel seeds half a teaspoon, cumin seeds 1 teaspoon. And now turn on the heat to a lowest setting. Dry roast this for 3 minutes or until it's 80% done. To this add 1 tablespoon kasuri methi and further dry roast it for around 2 minutes or until the spices turn aromatic. Transfer this to a blender. Once it is cooled down, blend it into a fine powder. This yields up to 8 teaspoons. You can use this with any dishes like vegetarian biryani or pulao. To prepare the green masala, add 1 cup mint leaves to a mixie jar, 1 cup coriander leaves. Now we'll add ginger, 2-inch ginger cut into small pieces, 10 pods of garlic, 6 green chilies. Add more or less as per your requirement. Add 2 tablespoons water and grind this into a fine but thick paste. As you can see, the masala is now ready to go. Heat a pressure cooker over medium heat. To this add 2 tablespoons oil, any oil of your choice, or you can use ghee as well. Add 2 onions cut into lengthwise slices. Fry this until it turns slightly golden in color. We don't need to fry it until it gets deep brown. We just need it slightly golden. This is now done and ready. Now to this add marinated chicken. This chicken has been marinated for 20 or 25 minutes. Give this a good mix and cook it for at least 5 minutes over medium flame so that the aroma of the fried onion will be infused in the chicken. Now add green masala paste. Give this a good mix so that the masala is nicely coated on the chicken. Add 2 teaspoons of the pulao masala we prepared earlier. Trust me on this one, the flavor will be next level. We used only simple spices that we find in our kitchen on daily basis. Nothing special, but it will be amazing. Cook this until oil separates. Like you can see here how oil has separated. Chicken is cooking for around 20 minutes now, so it is 80% cooked at this point. Now we can add basmati rice that is being soaked for 20 to 25 minutes. Give it a good mix. To this I am adding 2.5 cups of water. Here I have taken rice is to water ratio. 1 cup of rice, I have taken 1 and a 1/4 cup water because we have moisture in the masala as well. To this add half a lemon, since we are not adding tomato in this recipe because tomato will change the color of this dish. Add 1.5 teaspoon of salt. Remember we have added salt in the marination as well. So give it a good mix. Let it come to a rolling boil. This will help the masala to spread evenly. Keep stirring in between, otherwise the rice might stick to the bottom. So it has started to boil now. Let's pressure cook this for 1 whistle over medium heat. Once the pressure cools down, gently open the pressure cooker. Fluff the rice to release the steam. There you go. Green masala chicken pulao is ready to serve. Do try this recipe and let me know in the comments below how did it go for you. Please subscribe and like the videos. Thank you for watching again.